Hey everybody, so I said yesterday I was going to do a video on how to grind up some sprues, and we have some sprues that I've cut into basically long lines. Figured that would make it easier. We have chosen a meat grinder, the Casino Pro. This one is made out of basically carbon steel, so it's a pretty solid piece, right? That should work pretty good. Set that right there. And I'm going to be honest with you, I tried a blender and all it did was break the blender, so I'm hoping that this thing can do something. But let's see how that works out. I mean, it's pretty solid metal. I've seen this a lot of times on Reddit and different people talk about it, but I've never seen anybody actually do it. So we're just going to take, say, get it started. Let's try just one. Let's try just one in there. Alright, so twisting it in. Okay. Okay, well it took it in, but it doesn't seem to be spitting it out. Okay. I think it's stuck in there. Let's try another piece. Move that so it doesn't get broken. Okay, well, that one didn't come out either. It's taking them in, but it's not doing anything with it. Okay, so I have little pieces that are coming out. Let's take this off, see if it feels like it's stuck. Oh boy, that's not good. Well, kind of cut them up a little bit. You get more just twisting them out. That didn't cut them up. It looks like you just get, this is a little disappointing. Looks like you kind of just end up with like that. Looks like little curves. It just jams in there. Little bits I guess you get like some little pieces, but the majority of it just curled up and did nothing. Let's take a look in there. That doesn't look good. Oh, this thing's pretty much garbage now. That's jammed all in there. Scratched it up pretty good. Oh well. So the meat grinder, as far as making, you know, little bits for from your sprue, I wouldn't advise it. It doesn't seem to do a whole lot of good. It just kind of spits out little curl pieces. But if you want to give it a try, you're welcome to, but that's what it does. Yeah, you know, if you guys come up with an idea that works better than that, let me know. I'm all ears. Alright, till next time.